Let us pray. Heavenly Father, we thank you for today. We thank you for the grace, and we thank you for all the profit we've been making all through the week. Father, we pray that for those that are still to discover the world of trading and the world of crypto trading as far as concerned and crypto is concerned, Father, may you give them that wisdom necessary to be able to navigate this industry successfully. Father, may you make all of us profitable traders, O Lord. Father, may our hard work pays. Father, continue to guide, bless, and protect our community. And also, Father, we pray that may you come and be the teacher of today. May you come and be the mentor of today. We ask this prayer to Christ our Lord Jesus. Amen. Amen, guys. Amen, 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 amen. We are 25 of us. So I'll just start the class immediately.
Amen.
Okay, guys, we have looked into the introduction to cryptocurrency, and we have looked into the introduction to forex trading. And I said, if you want to start trading forex and crypto, you need to know why and where to trade it. And we're going to need two applications at the beginning, one for crypto and one for forex trading. And we should stay as much as possible muted. We should do as much as possible to stay muted. So we're going to exploit two major applications at the moment. For crypto trading, we are going to be using exchanges, and for forex trading, we are going to be using MT4 method application. So we're going to start straight first with how to download the two applications. When you download the two applications, you must follow the instruction I've provided. So the first thing to do is you download. You don't create an account yet. You have to download the application, but you don't have to create an account yet. After downloading the application, you allow it at that level, and you follow the instruction with the links I sent to your group. And I think I've sent a link to the July group, whereby two links have been provided. The first link, I did send it early this morning. The first link is for your Forex account creation. And the second one is for your Binance, your crypto trading account creation. So the first thing even to do is to go and click on this Forex account creation and create your account. I'm going to take you all through the process for those that are going to face difficulties. And same for the crypto trading account ought to be created. Then you have to go to Play Store. There you can type in MT4, and you can download the MetaTrader 4 application. After typing MT4, you can download this application, and as well you can type in Binance to download the Binance app. This is this for crypto trading, so you can download them. I got them already. So I'm going to start with the first interface. That means after we have analyzed our trade, our crypto may be on trading view, because a part of the application that we are going to be used to open and close trades, there is another platform where we go to analyze our chart. And that platform is called Trading View. So we can both analyze the crypto and forex market on Trading View. And so we come down to the MetaTrader 4 application or to Binance to trade either crypto or forex, right? So before we even dive into terminology, it's very important that we understand the platform that we will be trading there, because some of the terminology will are words maybe from trading platforms which we'll then define. So it's quite important we understand how they work. So the first application I'm going to go to is MetaTrader 4 for forex trading. So for forex trading, after you've created your MetaTrader 4 application, it's just going to open to a page like this. It's going to open to a page like this, and this will be the interface of MetaTrader 4. You are going to see some few things here, some quotes, and you're going to see some writing here. You're going to have a lower toolbar, which you have some icons at which you can click on. And also, you're going to have an upper toolbar. So immediately you drive into your MetaTrader 4, and what you see here are currency pairs. They are called quotes. So the currency pairs are called quotes. Quotes are those currency pairs you can trade. That means a quote is made up of two currency paired together. So a quote is two currency that have been paired together to form a trading pair. So we are going to go and we'll discover it from the first page. So here on the first page, you have the quote of list, the list quotes, that is a list of your currency pairs. That's the first thing you got. And the second icon here, you're going to get here, the second icon beneath here is going to take you to the chart. You're going to see the chart. On this chart, you could analyze, but it's not really advisable to analyze here since analysis here will not be best. And this other trade or this other icon here, you are going to see your running trades. So for example, here are my running trades that I did take at night. And on this running trade, on this trade icon, you can see the equity of this account. You can see the balance of this account. And at the same page, you can click up here like that to verify if the account is real or demo. So if you click here, you're going to see it appears as a live account on my name. So basically, when you open this page, you are going to see the running trade you're doing. So these are the running trade I kept open around 1 a.m. at night. And on this page, it's very important that you note, you're going to see here your balance, your account balance before you open the trade, and you're going to see your equity. Your equity is your balance plus the running profit or losing profit. And you have a margin. The margin is what you still have left to be that you can use to open new trades. And as well, you have margin percentage. As you open new trade, the margin percentage will be reducing. So as the margin percentage reduces, it tells you you should stop using your margin. Your margin is like the free money you still have to open trade with. So if you have $1,000, for example, and you use $1,000, you use $500 from the $1,000, your use margin will be $500 and your free margin will be $500. So here you can see your running trades and the overall profit for your running trade as well. The next part, the next icon here beneath is where you go to see your profit. So you may like to check maybe the profit for today. I have not closed any trade. You may like to check maybe the profit for within a week time. You can set up the date and you check profit and all the like. So here you're going to see all your trades. There will be a record of your trades that have been taken and also your profit and all the like. So for example, this account that I'm using right now to trade is a splitted account that I splitted last week to do practicals with my students. So that came at the Center for Live Trading. So I splitted a live account. So in Forex, you're going to have demo account. For example, let me look for a demo account. So here is a demo account. So this one is demo. You see demo on it. So and then you're going to have live accounts. Like all these are live accounts. And you can see live accounts and their balance. So here is $1,000 account, which I splitted last week. And the purpose of the $1,000 account was to trade along with intense people that came for trading internship, to show them how we could probably generate profit from the market, following the risks and everything based on account size and lots and other like. And we were able to generate, I think, for the period of last Monday till now, that was from last Monday, July. What so it should be July something here. It was from July, or I think it was July 20 or 17, something like this, 16, 17. I think so. Till now, we're able to generate $900 from last Monday. We've been able to generate $954 from $1,000 account. So approximately, we've been able to generate close to 90% of that account in a period of approximately 7 trading days. So it's just like to show to interns that we don't just say, oh, like preach Forex, We apply the things that have kept us profitable, and that's why we teach it. If it isn't profitable, there's no need teaching Forex. And here you can see all records for each account size, each account you used. And let's go back to this other icon, the chart icon. On the chart icon here, you have a whole lot to look at. On the chat icon, you realize that you have also an open toolbar, which have some other icons. And I'll go back first to the first icon and start explaining again from there. I hope you guys are getting me clearly. I hope your mic, I don't have a problem with sound and all the like. So let me just verify. I saw some messages. Let me just check the messages. No, if you have a Binance wallet, you don't need to create again. So let me go back to the first icon here. The quote icons, you see that the quotes you're going to have here are after you log in a live account, you're going to have the currency pairs which that brokers offers. And here you see two figures near the quote, and each quote has these two figures, and it is the ask and the bid price. And the difference between the ask and the bid price will give what we call the spread. The spread is a cost of the trade. So when you open a trade with a brokerage, he will charge you spread to make profit from your trade as well, because he's offering you that service. So like if you want to check the spread for this AUD right now, you just take this 90, this fat figure, and this other fat 120. The difference is 1. So the spread is 1 pip, because the spread is measured in pip. And in Forex, pip is the smallest distance covered by price. Like they say, this car has covered 10 meters. In Forex, they will say this currency pair has moved up 10 pips or has moved down 10 pips. So it's the unit of measurement of the smallest distance price can cover. So the spread is the cost of the trade, and the spread is just the difference between the ask and the bid price. And the spread is measured in pips. So each quote will have a spread, which will be the cost of the trade. The cost of the trade will reduce when you are trading that currency pair during its own session. Because I said the Forex market is made up of 3 sessions, the London, US, and Eastern session. So if you are trading a pair during the London session, which is from the London session, the cost of trading will be minimal. So that is it. Normally, at all time, when you add a new account or when you log in a new account on MT4, you have to add your quote list. That means you need to add up the number of quotes you have by clicking on this plus sign up here. And you can select from Forex, Forex Major, Metal, Crypto, and other like. So if you want to trade indices as well, if your brokerages offer, you can add. So if I want to add more Forex pair on my quote list so that I can easily trade them, I just click and I click on each pair. Maybe I want to add this pair, I just have to click on it. It will disappear and go to my quote list. So we're clicking out here. If I want to start trading US oil, for example, I will click on oil and I will select brand, that's US oil. Maybe I want to trade crypto in Forex, because I can also trade crypto in some Forex brokerages. I click here, I select the brokerage, I can trade Ethereum, I add it. If I want to go to metals to trade something like gold, silver, I can just come here and add. When I click on them, you're going to get added. The silver going to get added to my list. So if you see check my quote list, you discover that this is what we have just added. Right? So you can build a quote list after you sign into your account. So what happens with MT4 is that when you create an MT4 account, you need to come to this button up here, to the menu button, which is these 3 white lines up here. You need to come to that button. First thing to do is, after creating your live account, you come there and click on manage account. Once you click on manage account, you can click on this plus sign to add a new account. Now, when you create your Forex brokerage back office, that when you create your account with the Forex brokerage, you have a back office. And in that back office, if the brokerage offers an interface like MT4 or MT5 for trading, because there are brokerages that offer many interfaces where you can trade Forex. There are some that are limited just to the MT5 and the MT4 application. So after creating your account with a brokerage, in their back office, they will give you a choice now to create an MT4 or an MT5 account, and they will give you the details to come and log into your MT4 applications or your MT5 application to be able to see the capital that you have deposited with the brokerage. And so when you make profit as well, you can go back to the brokerage website and withdraw, and the money will be deducted from your MT4 account balance. So like if I want to log in a new account after the account creation, I will come here and I will click on tap to log into an existing account, and they will ask me to search for my broker. So when you create your MT4 account, they will give you your broker saver. So on this box, you are going to search for your brokerage saver. So for example, if my brokerage saver is just Forex Live 2, for example, when I just begin to type just Forex, I can see proposition from MT4, and I can just select what my own is. So my saver is just Forex Live 2. Your own saver could be just Forex Live. So if you use the wrong saver, the account will be unable to log in. So I've selected like just Forex Live 2. I have to put in my login number. That is my MT4 login number that my brokerage will give me after creating the MT4 account. I'll put the password I put when I was creating the MT4 account, and I'll be able to log in to that MT4 account. And that is the same procedure I've done to log in all of my accounts. Now, that is that about the first icon, and I've explained to you all what it means. The second icon, where you go, you can see the chart. You see a candlestick representation of price. It represents what has been happening in the market. It tries to represent price fluctuation or the like. And it keeps the record of what is happening in the market. So this is basically an interface which you can use to look at what's happening. Either the market is buying or selling. You can see the candlesticks. And at the upper toolbar is very important. The first tool, which is the plus sign, is used to figure out letters or numbers written in these empty spaces here, right? So if I want to pick up the graduation in these empty spaces, I ought to click on this line, and then I move the line up and down. When I'm moving the line, you're going to see a black patch that is reading every single number and at the blank spaces. When I'm done with it, I'll click back on the plus sign, and that option disappears. The next option here is the F sign. The F sign, this F sign up here, the function sign, is to add or remove indicators on your chart. Indicators are tools that you can use automatically to permit you make better trading decisions or guide you in making your trading decisions. So for example, if I click on the function sign, you see that I can add indicators on the main chart. I can add an indicator on another indicator. So if I want to add an indicator on the main chart, I click on F plus main chart. I can select an indicator like Bollinger Bands, and I take done. I'm going to explain to you. You see an indicator just appeared. It's called Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band is an indicator that permits us to be able to trade. I'll explain to you when you get to indicators. And I can still go and click back to the function sign. Click on the delete can. After clicking on the delete can, I can select all the indicator on my chart and delete them. So they go off my chart. You get it. So the next icon here is basically the dollars, this dollar sign that lead you to a short way to the quote list. So you don't necessarily need to go back to the quote list, but if you can click there, it can give you a shortcut. You can just select the pair you want to trade. For example, let's say you want to trade this. You just have to select the pair you want to trade, and then you go ahead and trade it up. Now, the next one is the clock sign. The clock signs gives us the possibility to be able to open the candlesticks on different time period. So the candlestick could be open on different time period. So these candlesticks are representation of price movement within a particular time period T. So as you can see here, it's on M15. That means 15 minutes. So each of these candle is 15 minutes. And you can see the colors of the candle. A black candles means that within the last 15 minutes, the market was selling, the exchange rate was dropping. And a white candle means that within the last 15 minutes, the exchange rate was rising, the market was rising. So we're going to look about that as well as time goes by. The last icon is a trade placement icon. The trade placement icon is very vital. And when we talk about the trade placement icon, we're going to look at a whole lot here. This is where we do place trade. So if I want to place a trade, for example, I think I should verify my trade. What should I do? Should I close profit? Should I close profit? It's still early morning, so I'm expecting at least closing in the morning, at least $100 could be fine with me. So we could say allow them run for it for some small short time period. So, I'll be busy today. I wanted to use a demo account for some work with you. So let me see. Okay, let me get a demo account. I don't like using them. Okay, let me see here. This demo account. Will it even open? It can't even open. Okay, I'll create one. Manage account. Let me delete this one. I create a demo. Yeah. Okay, this is a practical account we can use to do practice with. So now let's go back to that icon of trade placement. Here you are going to realize that you can trade Forex in different time period. I can do an instant execution. That means I can place a trade right now. I can still set a trade to be operational in the future. So that's why on this box, you see instant execution. So I'm trading at the moment. I can see click on that box and I'm going to see 4 different type of orders, which are called pending orders. We put to trade in the future. They are pending, right? And here also, we're going to find out about the lot size. The lot size is actually, it determines a lot. It determines how much you are going to use from your capital for that trade. And this other box here is going to show us the stop loss. So I can enter a trade. Let's say I enter a trade on dollars CFA. And then I set up that if the value of $1 moves up to 700, let my trade close automatically. So on my take profit, which is at the right, I can put the value of 700 francs there. Now I can still say that, okay, if the exchange rate goes down to 400 francs, let my trade closes automatically. So I'll put my stop loss. So if I was buying US dollars safer, that means I was expecting the exchange rate to go up. And if the exchange rate is rather going down, I will be losing. So I can set a price beneath the point I enter as my stop loss. So if price get there, for example, at 400 francs, the trade should stop automatically. So your trade can either be stopped at the point of stop loss heated or at the point of take profit heated. You could still decide not to trade with them and you trade like that, manually like that. You trade without stop loss and take profit. You can decide to have your mental stop loss and your mental take profit based on the way you observe the market. So after selecting your lot size, for example, I've selected a lot size, I can basically click on sell or buy to operate a Forex transaction. So let's buy this currency pair. I've selected my lot. If I want to select my lot, I can tell, okay, I select my lot 0.01, for example, and I take a buy, and you see a trade has been opened, and you are automatically trading the Forex market. Simple as ABC. Now, Bert, before you do a trade, you must analyze and you must understand the value of each lot. So if your account size is this, which lot size is this? So what means is that when we talk about lot size, we mean that when the market goes up, it will cover a distance, or when it goes down, it will cover a distance. So the distance that the market will cover will be measured in pips. So for each pips that is covered, you will be rewarded based on your lot size value. So if you are using a lot size, which is equivalent to $1, and the market goes 1 pip, you have made $1. If the market goes 2 pip, you have made $2. If the market goes 10 pips, you have made $10. Same as if the market goes negative 10 pips, you have lose $10. So the lot size signifies a value that can be rewarded to you if you go trade profit or trade loss. So we need to understand and know that if you want to open a trade, I can manage my risks. I can decide which lot size to use. So not as to risk my account. You can decide which lot size you want to use as well, not to risk your account. So it's very, very important that at this point, we are going to take down notes. Notes, please, note. Note. Who are those that have pen and paper? If you don't have, let me see. I will catch you people now. I can even like you have off your, if like you have off your video, I can still see you. I can still see you. You know my Zoom. I have a super Zoom. I can see if you like. So please get your pen and your paper right away, please. Get your pen and your paper right away. Let's work. Let me see what my trade is giving me. $84. Good. So I just need a little bit more to hit 100. Okay, hitting 100 is $50. It's 50,000. Yeah, if you can make 50,000 a day, it's good. With your smartphone. Okay, it's basically that's trading. We do trade all the time to generate more profit as all the time. So, okay, guys, let's go straight to the point. Lot sizing. Lot sizes is very, very important. So we ought to look at lot sizing right now. And I want you to be very, 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 very attentive. Okay. So when we talk about a lot size of a value 0.01 is a smaller lot size, is equivalent to 10 cents. A lot size of 0.02 is equivalent to 20 cents. That means you're going to make 20 cents per pip. A lot size of 0.03 is equivalent to 30 cents. A lot size of 0.04 will be equivalent to 40 cents. So the lot size of 0.09 will be equivalent to 90 cents. Okay. Now, a lot size of 1.0 is equivalent to $1. A lot of 0.2 equals to $2. 0.3 equals to $3. 0.5 equals to $5. Now, a loss of 0.9 equals to $9, right? That's ABC. A loss of 10.0 equals to how much? Sorry, a loss of 1, because we move from 0.9, which is $9, we need to move to 1.0, which is equivalent to $10. 2.0 equals to $20. 3.0 equals to $30. So let's do a little mental work. What if Mr. Williams take a trade and he makes 10 pips profit? He makes 10 pips profit and he was trading with a lot size of 0.1. How much has Mr. Williams earned from his trade? Comment with the answer. Comment in the comment box automatically with the answer. Rapidly. What's the answer? Elvis, what's the answer? President Gilbert, President, what's the answer? President, what's the answer? Daniel said $10. Stefan said $30. Wrong. Go ahead. Stefan, back $10. Ashu said $10. Okay, right. The right answer is $10 because a lot size of 0. Let me get my pen. It's pen off track now. So a lot size of 0, because we said a lot size of 0.1 is equivalent to $1, right? So if we make 10 pips and each pip is equivalent to $1, then we have made $10. Okay, exercise 2. President Gilbert enter a trade and earn 100 pips. 100 pips. And he was using a lot size of 0.01. How much has he made in dollars? Fast. He made 100 pips using 0.01 lot size. So how much has it made in dollars? Rapid. Comment the answer. Comment the answer. Ronice, what's the answer? Jerry, Franklin, Daniel. Daniel said 100 cents, 1,000 cents. Okay, good. 1,000 cents. Okay, somebody say $100. Somebody say $1. Somebody say 100 cents. Look. 100 pips with 0.01. Now, 0.01 means 10 cents. So 100 pips times 10 cents times 100 will give 1,000 cents. And 100 cents is equivalent to $1. So that's why I asked you the profit in dollars, not in cents. So I expect you to tell me that he has made $10. He has made $10, not 1,000 cents and not $1. Recalculate again. Okay, great. Second exercise was good. Okay, let's move straight to the point again. So if we gonna why is my trade icon not opening? Okay, I selected a demo pair. So now at this point, that means you gonna enter a trade. Let me pick up the demo. Let me use the demo. It's not good to joke. Okay, guys, this is the demo account. So here, remember I said something about the cost of the trade being measured in pips. This is another exercise. President Gilbert again does enter another trade, right, on USD card. And the ask and the bid price are as you see on the screen. And the spread of that trade is 3 pips. And President Gilbert is using a lot size of 0.05. How much will be the cost of the trade that he will pay for trading USD card with a lot size of 0.05, where the spread is 3 pips? Fast. What will be the cost of the trade? What will be the cost of the trade? President, what's the cost of the trade? Ronnie's, what's the cost of the trade? Somebody say $15. I'm not sure. 0.05, not 0.5. Williams, Mr. Williams, Jerry, Leslie, Dorian's. Was it Magic, Cyril, Jetro, Bertrand, Brandon, Robert, Franklin, Sama, was it Felix, Dennis, George, Stefan, Elvis? What is the cost of the trade? What is the cost of the trade? Elvis, you're wrong. Leslie, you are wrong. Excellent to Franklin. $1.5. So he said $1.50 is correct. So Franklin got the right answer. Reason why? Because look here. If we in the trade, right? Let me pick up my pen again. So if we are in this trade, for example, if we in a trade, for example, and we make the pip is 3 pips, and a lot size of 0.05 equals to 50 cents. So 50 cents times 3 is going to give us 150 cents. And 100 cents is already $1. So $1.50. Excellent that way. So you can see how you can calculate the cost of your trade. You know how much it's going to cost you per pip. And if I want to measure the pips, I can say, okay, good. A whole USD left from this bottom to this top, and it covers a distance of 10 pips. That's the measurement. Very simple, right? So it's very easy to understand the pips and also see how you can utilize it as for your own advantage. So guys, as we drive along, there's pretty much things we're going to learn as we go ahead. So we are going to be exploiting the different type of market execution, that is buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and all of this will be shown on the chart when you can open such positions. So this is briefly an overall view of MT4 application. So what you're going to do with the link I sent to your group is pretty much simple. Let me check it up again. I want to close my profit for now. Please allow me close my trade. It's at $90. Let me go with that now. Today is a long day, so we're gonna trade early in the morning as we're doing the US session. So there's no need keeping them up now. Sometimes maybe. Okay, let's go back to the game. Okay, guys, you go to the group link I've sent to you and you click on this link. You're gonna click on the link and you fill the form that you will see. And I think I'm gonna send a video here as well in your group. So if you have any difficulties, I'm gonna show you what to do. And if you have any question concerning what you've done today, you can go ahead and ask me. No, it's in English. It's in English. It's in English. It's all language. I've shared back my screen, Stefan. So if you have any question about today, you can now ask me. After this, nobody will have difficulties understanding how trade does plays, how we place trade on MT4 and how it works. I hope so. I hope so. So great turnout, guys. I love the turnout. Daniel, Emma, Eric, Ernest. I'm going to unmute the group, and you have Ilian in the group. So in the group, you can communicate with Madam Ilian from now, and you have to give her a warm welcome to your batch. I wish you guys an excellent day. Tomorrow we still have a class. This week we're gonna do class all through, and I hope it was brief and interesting enough. Okay, I was a little bit fast with the exercise. Okay, what you guys did yesterday was good. Some people actually gave exercises to some people. So those that have understood about pips, lot size, could give similar exercise like what I did. You can have unlimited demo account, unlimited live account. Okay, great, guys. Great. So, for those that have understood very well what have gotten a good understanding of what the peeps and everything is all about, you can go to the class and give exercises on lot size and the peep, so people can actually get it better. Okay, Matt, you raising up your hand, so unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Maggie, say Maggie or say Maggie, Maggie. You want to talk? Okay. If you don't want to talk, If you don't want to talk, then it's okay. Good. Okay, bye-bye.